In today's competitive world, the very survival of business depends upon being able to provide quick, real-time solutions to problems as they are identified. Telepresence is an augmented reality-based remote guidance tool that enables real-time two-way communication between a subject matter expert and a field user who could be in any location, anywhere in the world. With Telepresence, experts can remotely diagnose, inspect, and provide real-time solutions to the operators in the field. A thoroughly tested product, Telepresence is being used by a wide variety of organizations on phones, tablets, and smart glasses. With Telepresence, organizations have been able to save thousands of dollars by eliminating travel costs, close more service tickets in a day, increase field service productivity, reduce service time, increase customer satisfaction, improve product expert productivity, meet service level agreements, improve field service knowledge, all of which add to an increase in bottom line revenue. Enhance your team's capabilities and improve your service offering with this highly customizable and secure platform. Contact us to set up a free trial today.